Welcome. Today we invite you to explore a garden philosophy that goes beyond design, a way of seeing beauty in simplicity, imperfection, and nature's quiet rhythm. This is the world of Japanese wabi-sabi backyard design. In the next few minutes, we'll take you through mossy paths, rustic textures, and timeless spaces that invite peace and reflection. So breathe deep, slow down, and let's begin. Wabi-sabi is more than just an aesthetic. It's a Japanese philosophy rooted in Zen Buddhism, where beauty is found in the natural, the aged, the weathered, and the incomplete. Wabi speaks to simplicity and the beauty of living in harmony with nature. Sabi honors the beauty of aging, of things touched by time, like patina on metal or moss on stone. In the garden, wabi-sabi is quiet, unrushed, unforced. It asks us to pause, observe, and appreciate what is just as it is. A wabi-sabi backyard is a sanctuary of reflection, a place where imperfection becomes poetry. Let's look closer at what makes a backyard feel wabi-sabi. First, we use natural materials: stone, wood, bamboo, earth. These aren't polished or glossy. They're raw, textured, and real. Next, asymmetry. Paths curve, stones are scattered. There's no effort to force symmetry. We also embrace aging: a rusted iron pot, a cracked ceramic bowl, a bench grayed by the sun and softened by rain. Each item tells a story. Each one earns its place. And finally, simplicity. No clutter, no excess. Every rock, every plant, every lantern has purpose. Together, they speak in a quiet harmony. In a wabi-sabi backyard, movement is never rigid. It flows like water. Paths are winding, never straight. Stepping stones are uneven. Grass grows between them. Leaves fall and stay where they land. As you walk through, the garden unfolds slowly. A turn reveals a stone basin. A breeze moves the bamboo. Each step brings a quiet moment. Design here is not control. It's companionship with nature. The plants of a wabi-sabi garden whisper rather than shout. Moss, soft and ancient, creeps over stone and soil. Ferns curl in shadowed corners. Bamboo stretches upward, graceful and grounded. Japanese maples mark the seasons, changing colors, dropping leaves, embracing impermanence. Let the garden grow a little wild. Let nature be your gardener. This is not a space to shape, but a space to tend, with humility and care. Water is presence. It moves, it reflects, it sings. A tsukubai, a low stone basin, catches slow drips. The sound is meditative. A shishiodoshi, the deer scarer, adds a gentle rhythm, reminding us of the passing moment. A still pond mirrors the sky, the trees, the falling leaves. Water in a wabi-sabi garden is not decoration. It's a reminder of flow, of time, of life. A wabi-sabi garden is not static. It moves with the seasons. In spring, moss returns. Cherry blossoms fall like snow. In summer, bamboo hums. The air thickens with green. Autumn brings gold and red. Leaves gather on paths, never swept. Winter leaves the garden bare, but not empty. The bones of the space show their strength. Frost highlights every edge. Each change is welcome. Each moment is enough. This is impermanence, the heart of wabi-sabi. And now, we return to stillness. A wabi-sabi backyard is not for show. It's not a statement. It's a sanctuary. Here, you walk slowly. You listen deeply. You breathe. You feel the moss underfoot, the breeze in your hair, and time, soft and kind, moving all around you. Thank you for joining us in this journey. If this space spoke to you, bring a little wabi-sabi into your life. Not just in your garden, but in how you see the world. Until next time, be gentle with yourself and embrace the beauty of imperfect things.